everyone, welcome back to your kitchen. Today I prepared one of the most delightful and tasty chicken and eggplant sandwiches for you. This sandwich combines the pleasure of tender chicken with the richness of eggplant, creating a unique culinary experience. Join me as I share my tips and tricks to make this amazing dish satisfy your taste buds. So let's get started. Make sure to try it, it's really delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Have fun!